What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. As the title said, this is from Fable Beard Co. So this giant package came from Fable. I made a purchase. Fable had a discount going on where you could buy one combo, get a combo free. So I bought 4 combos, oil and butter. So 3 of these scents in here I have never smelt before, so I don't even remember what scents they were. So let's get into this and check it out. So the way it comes, bubble wrap package here, and everything is individually bubble wrapped. So let's see what we got here. First one we got is the barber. Let's get them all out, then we'll do first impressions. Next one is gunslinger. I already have this in the oil. We have, let me get into this one, the Savior. And last, the Shark. And there should be a matching balm with each of those. So we have our wax seal envelope that has our card in here. We can get into it. This card has the hero. Dear adventurer, order after order you are becoming a stronger friend of the keep. Thank you once again. Until the next adventure, my liege, the wizard. So you get that with your package. So let's open up the Shark first. So Shark is a deep sea beard oil. It is a collab with Mo, the bearded shark. Okay. It's kind of clean, fresh. I get kind of just a clean, fresh scent. It smells really good. Almost cologne-ish, but it smells really good. The Savior. This is a collab with, this is a post-apocalyptic beard oil. This is a collab with Tyson over at Faithfully Bearded. All right, so this is your fall scent. And that smells good. That's kind of there's a little bit of sweetness to it, and it smells really, really good. All right, I'm not gonna open up Gunslinger. This is a futuristic patchouli. I already have one of these open, so I'm gonna keep that one sealed up. May give it away. And the next one is the Barber, which is a collab with Hollywood Dave Bearded Motivation. This is a fiery barbershop beard oil. Okay, that's not your typical barbershop. I get that cinnamon, that red hot kind of at the end. That smells good. I'm interested to see how that is in beard, but it smells good in bottle. All right, so let's check out these butters. So the oils come in a 1 ounce amber screw top dropper top. These are the butters. So this one is the Barber. The Gunslinger. These are a lot easier to get into than the oil. The Shark. And the Savior. Let's get that out of the way. Let's start with the savior. So this comes in a, I'm not sure what size tub this is. I can't remember. Okay, so it smells pretty close to the oil, just out of bottle, out of container. Ingredients on the butters are mango butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter, alipe nut butter, shea butter, beeswax, and fragrance oils. And I think I saw a video that Colin did saying that he put beeswax in mainly for the transportation and just to give it a little bit of thickness. The barber, that smells good. I don't get, yeah, now I smell it. I didn't smell the cinnamon, the red hot up front, or the fireball kind of, but I smell it in there. That smells really good. It's been really cold. It cracked a little bit. So it's a little bit, it's a pretty smooth texture. So, all right, the Gunslinger. I love this in oil. Ah, it smells so good. Futuristic patchouli. That smells so good. I actually had a review filmed and ready to go, and then I ordered this. So I figured I'd wait on the review of Gunslinger until I could do both the oil and the butter at the same time. And that one smells really good. I'm gonna get a little bit different than I do with the oil, but you can see it. Really good consistency and texture. Looks like it melted just a little bit in transport, but that don't bother me. So same ingredients on all of them other than the fragrance. So we're gonna get into these, we're gonna test them out, give them the true test, the Bearded Outdoorsman test, and we'll do reviews on each one of these scents and bring it to you so you can check them out. I will drop links in the description for Fable and all of these products. Get over there and check them out. I don't remember the prices, but definitely check them out. But they all smell really amazing. So thank you, Colin over there, for making some really great products. Now to get them in beard. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're able to see those videos when they drop. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.